Welcome to Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 7th chapter of class 8. 7th chapter of class 8, My Grandmother's Love. Okay, we all know what is the importance of grandmother in our life and in your life also. It means all of us. Okay, the grandmother is like our friends, and he or she behaves like a friend, talks like a friend, and live like a friend. Okay, and the grandmother's importance is very vital in the life of small children. Okay, because the age of grandmother and the age of small children similar. Although there is a difference between the age gap, but the thinking, mentality, movement and ideas both match. Okay, that's why it says the grandmother's age, it means old age or childhood age, both are similar. And in that situations we have close contact, and we generally shares our feelings with our grandmothers or grandfathers. Okay, and it has been observed few children can't sleep, can't work without his or her grandparents. Okay, let us see the chapter one line by line so that we could understand it very well. The chapter is written by Kamla Das. Kamla Das is a South Indian poet, and she emphasized and directed his work towards the feelings of our everyday life, and she wants to attach the feeling of common people with the feeling represented in his work. Okay, see, my grandmother's house. Sorry, love, I have written love, but there is a grandmother's house. Grandmother's house. Grandmother's house. Okay, see, grandmother is always special. What does your grandma mean to you in your life? Or you should know, we call grandmothers grandma, granny. Okay, mean in your life. In the poem My Grandmother's House, Kamla Suraya writes about her childhood in Kerala. She contrasts her present life in which she begs for love, at least in a small change. Not wholly or completely at a stranger's door from people she doesn't know well. With her childhood in her grandmother's house, where she experienced love in abundance without ever having to ask for it. Her language is lively and imaginative. It means she is telling that a girl have to leave his original house one day and live with some strangers. It means to get married. Okay, and Kamla Suraya got lot of love at his granny's house, and after marriage she shifted to her husband's house, and there she lacks that love, and she is talking about that love, and she is thinking, expecting like that love from this strange person, but it is not possible because the place have changed, person have changed, and now situation have been changed. That's why it is not possible. So According to me, we have to adjust ourselves according to the new situations with the new persons, so that we will not feel trouble. Okay, see, there is a house now far away where. There is a house now far away from where. Once, it means she is telling there is a house very very far away from my house. Once I received love. Once I received love. That woman died. It means from where she got the lot of love now, and from that woman, old woman, that old woman is no more in this world. The house withdrew into silence. A snake moved among books. I was then too young to read, and my blood turned cold like the moon. The house withdrew into silence. It means now the house changed into completely silence. There is no one to move, no one to live there. A snake moved. Snakes moved among books. It means now the book is not having touched for a long time. For a long time. Books. I was then too young. It means at that time I was too young. It means very very young. To read. It means I can't read. I was unable to read at that time. Okay. Among books, I was then too young to read, and my blood turned cold like the moon. It means I am afraid of reading this book and the situation of the room. Okay. How often I think of going? It means generally I think of going there to peer through blind eyes of window. It means to look into through the blind eyes. It means no one can see me. Blind eyes of the window, or you may call secret of the window. Just listen to the frozen air. It means moving air, how the air is moving there. Or in wild despair, pick an armful of darkness to bring it here to lie. Or in wild despair, or in anger, despair, pick an armful of darkness to bring it here to lie behind my bedroom like a brooding. And I tried to bring some light there so that everything could be visible clearly, and there is to be it means I can see everything clearly. Darkness to bring it here to lie behind my bedroom like a brooding. Brooding means thinking deeply. Thinking bedroom door like a brooding dog. Thinking dog. It means I lay there and thinking about that. You cannot leave, darling. You cannot. It means there was nothing favorable or nothing to live there. Darling, can you? That I lived in such a house. It means it was not possible to live there. But I live there. In such a house, and was proud and loved. And I feel proud and loved there in such bad conditions of house. Still I feel proud and loved. I who have lost my way and beg now at a stranger's door too. I have lost my way. It means she is telling to us that she has lost the way of getting love. And now a stranger's house. It means at husband's house. Door to receive love. At least in this small children. It means she wants same kind of love at her husband's house, but it is not possible to get the same love there. And there is a slight change. Still she is getting the love, but that is the different from what she have got from her grandmother. Okay, students, this story is about the Kamla Das childhood, and in his childhood she got a lot of love from her grandmother, and every time the house was in bad conditions, snakes moved there still, and there is a darkness. There is darkness, and still she used to live there and feel proud and loved. And that kind of love she is not getting at a stranger's house. It means at her husband's house or from her husband's. And that's why she had written this chapter. Okay, and what we have learned? We have learned from this chapter that we should be happy what we have. Everything changes the law of nature, and what we are getting today, that is not possible, or it is not sure we will get it tomorrow. So we should be contented and have a satisfied life whatever we have. Thank you for joining my class. Like, subscribe and share my channel as you can. Thank you.